Alright, so here you guys go. As promised, I'm making the video right now. You're gonna need, let me try to get that in focus here. One of these. It's like a Torx bit, maybe, something like that. And you're gonna unscrew 2 screws right there, which I already have. Then you're gonna remove the cover. Make sure the screws don't fall out. You don't want to lose those. So then you'll see this little thing right here, and when it's pressed down, that's what deactivates the seatbelt beeping or whatever. So instead of putting your seatbelt in, just lock that in, and that's going to prevent it from beeping. Just make sure you don't press the button, because if you do, you'll have to remove the cover again and do the same thing, because then it'll release it. So just leave it that way, and then you're all set. Thanks for watching. If you think this video helped you out, please subscribe, like this video, I'll appreciate it, and share it with a friend if they don't want to wear a seatbelt. Peace out, guys.